How I turned my balcony into a vegetable garden, and how you can. One quiet Wednesday afternoon, while sipping tea and watching pigeons waddle across my dusty balcony, a curious thought crept into my mind. What if I grew my own food? Not the big farm kind with muddy boots and roaring tractors. Just a few simple vegetables, clean, fresh, grown by me, with my own 2 hands. So I started. Not with any experience, not with fancy tools, just curiosity, a couple of old pots, and a stubborn little hope. And my friend, if I could do it, so can you. Let me walk you through it, step by step, with the lessons I learned, the mistakes I made, and the quiet joy that bloomed alongside my plants. Step 1. Start small, start smart. Resist the urge to buy seeds for 10 different vegetables. Trust me, you'll end up overwhelmed, and your kitchen will resemble a failed science experiment. Begin with just 2 or 3 easy-to-grow veggies. These are my top beginner-friendly picks. Tomatoes, sun-loving and super satisfying to harvest. Spinach, quick-growing and forgiving of beginner mistakes. Chilies or green peppers, hardy little plants that add a spicy thrill to your garden. All you need is a sunny spot, a balcony, rooftop, window ledge, or even a well-lit corner of your room. Step 2. The pots. Your little kingdoms. You don't need designer planters. I used old paint buckets, cut-up plastic bottles, and even a cracked kettle. As long as water can drain out, just poke a few holes at the bottom. You're golden. A quick size guide. Tomatoes. Pots at least 8-12 inches deep. Spinach and herbs, 6 inches will do. I even put a layer of gravel at the bottom for drainage and felt like an architect designing miniature cities for worms. Step 3. Soil. It's more than just dirt. Here's a little secret. Plants won't thrive in random backyard soil. They need a well-draining, nutrient-rich mix. My go-to blend, 2 parts garden soil. 1 part compost, homemade from kitchen scraps, works wonders. 1 part cocoa peat or sand for better drainage. Or if mixing sounds like a hassle, just grab a ready-made potting mix from your local nursery. That's how I started, and it worked just fine. Treat your soil well. It's the heartbeat of your garden. Healthy soil, happy plants. Step 4. Seeds or seedlings. Either is fine, but honestly, seedlings are easier for beginners. I picked up a few spinach seedlings from a roadside vendor and carefully transplanted them into my pots. But if you're up for starting from seeds, soak them overnight, especially tougher ones like beans. Plant shallow, just ½ an inch under the soil. Keep the soil moist, not soggy. Cover the pot with plastic wrap until they sprout. Watching that tiny green sprout push through the soil. It's like witnessing your baby's first steps. I almost cried. Step 5. Sunlight. The real boss. Love alone won't cut it. Plants need sunlight, and lots of it. Aim for 6-8 hours of direct sunlight a day. Tomatoes and chilies demand it. Spinach and lettuce can manage with a bit of shade. Don't hesitate to move the pots around to chase the sun. Plants, like people, love basking in the light. Step 6. Watering, a gentle art. I made the rookie mistake of flooding my plants like I was putting out a fire. Turns out roots don't like swimming pools. A few tips. Water early in the morning or late in the afternoon. Stick your finger into the soil. If the top inch feels dry, it's time. For tiny seedlings, use a spray bottle or spoon. Too little, they droop. Too much, they rot. Think of watering like feeding a newborn, gentle and just enough. Step 7. Feed them, but keep it clean. Every 2 weeks, I treated my plants to something nutritious. Liquid compost tea, vermicompost, or water from soaked banana peels and onion skins. Even crushed eggshells worked wonders. Before long, my spinach grew leaves like green wings, and my tomatoes ripened into glowing red jewels. You'll feel it too. That deep, wordless joy when something you've nourished starts nourishing you back. Step 8. Pests. Tiny monsters with big appetites. One morning I noticed holes in my spinach leaves, and there it was, A caterpillar enjoying a 5-star breakfast. Don't panic. Nature has its ways. Mix neem oil with water, 1 tablespoon per liter, and spray weekly. Try garlic pepper spray as a natural repellent. Remove dead or yellowing leaves. Avoid overcrowding. Plants need space to breathe. Your garden is your kingdom. Defend it with gentle courage. Step 9. Harvesting, the sweetest reward. Don't wait too long to harvest. Pick spinach when the leaves are a good size. Tomatoes when they're fully red. Chilies when they shine with color. Use scissors or gently twist them off. Never yank. There's something magical about eating a salad made from your own balcony. It's more than food. It's fulfillment. Step 10. Stay consistent. Stay curious. Some days, my plants drooped. Some days I forgot to water. But slowly, I learned their rhythm. They became companions, quiet, green, and wise. Growing vegetables isn't about becoming a farmer. It's about slowing down, observing, nurturing, and being nurtured in return. And so, my friend, if you've ever felt rushed, restless, or just needed a little purpose, plant a garden. You don't need a backyard, just a bit of sunlight and a lot of love. Start with 1 seed, 1 pot, 1 tiny act of care. Soon, your home won't just smell like dust and paint. It'll carry the scent of earth, growth, and quiet triumph. And maybe, just maybe, you'll look at your little green patch one day and smile thinking, I grew that with my own hands. And trust me, no salad will ever taste sweeter.